Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Necto pudding. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 400 milliliters of Necto, which is typically one bottle. Also, grab one small tin of condensed milk, approximately 396 grams. Don't forget 3.5 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin powder and 1/2 cup of boiling water. These few items are all you need to create this delightful dessert. Now, let's get started with the preparation. Take your 3.5 tablespoons of gelatin powder and dissolve it completely in the 1/2 cup of boiling water, stirring until it's smooth with no lumps. In a separate, larger bowl, pour in the 400 milliliters of Necto and the entire small tin of condensed milk. Mix these two liquids together until they are thoroughly combined and have a consistent texture. Next, it's time to bring everything together. Gently pour the dissolved gelatin solution into your Necto and condensed milk mixture. Stir everything well to ensure all ingredients are fully combined. For an extra smooth and creamy pudding, you can transfer the mixture to a blender and blend it for about 1 minute. This step helps achieve a perfectly uniform consistency and color for your delicious Necto pudding. Finally, the waiting game begins. Pour your perfectly mixed Necto pudding into individual molds or a large serving bowl. Place it in the refrigerator and chill for a minimum of 2 to 3 hours, or until it is completely set and firm to the touch. Once firm, your delightful Necto pudding is ready to be enjoyed. You can even add a dollop of whipped cream or some fresh fruit for a lovely garnish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.